A roux is a mixture of equal parts fat and flour. You can add a roux to a sauce or soup to improve the flavor and thicken the texture of the dish. To make a roux, first choose the fat you'd like to use, like butter, bacon fat, pork drippings, margarine, or shortening. Heat the fat in a non-stick skillet over medium heat until it melts. Then, add an equal amount of all-purpose flour. Whisk the flour into the fat until the texture and color become uniform. How long you cook the roux depends on the color of the roux required for your recipe. Cook the roux for 2 to 5 minutes to make a white roux, which will thicken your dish without adding a lot of flavor. For a blonde roux, cook the roux for 6 to 10 minutes or until it's a light brown color. A blonde roux will add a toasty flavor to your food. Cook the roux for 15 to 30 minutes if you're looking for a medium brown roux, which has a hearty flavor that's ideal for gumbo or soup. For a dark roux with a deep, coffee-like flavor, heat the roux for 35 to 45 minutes. When the roux is done, add it to the dish you're cooking. You can store any unused roux in the fridge for up to 1 week.